Yo guys, what's up? Shadow here, and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Yes. Well, today we shall start on the wing construction slash thruster construction. Both, of course, kind of flow into each other very naturally. So, to construct the wing is, I think, the priority right now. So that's what we're gonna do, at least for now. I think this one, I'm gonna delete this piece here, because I'm not quite sure if it's gonna flow directly into the main body of the ship or not. You know what I mean? So that is not quite clear. Therefore, we shall leave this for now. But yeah, right, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to craft our wings. And we're probably going to replicate it on the second side, because I think that's pretty decent the way I plan to do it right now. So yeah, you know, I've been thinking now with the update out since what, 2 weeks now? 3? I think it's 2. Anyway, I was kind of thinking, what's the next update? Where are they gonna go? Because, you know, there was... I still believe the next update should fit into the same kind of like group as this one did, right? So there was heavy warfare 1, like the space engineers personal weaponry stuff. Then there was heavy industries, which focused more on ship, not weapons, but equipment. So I wonder if the next one is going to be weapons for ships, or if it's going to be something completely out of that area entirely. You know, something crazy like new game mechanics. You know, I couldn't quite think about what it could be. You know, something that has to do with warfare. I mean, NPCs to fight would be insane, but I don't think that's going to come out of the blue just like that. That's gonna be a big build of if actual AI like NPCs come to the game. I don't even think that's gonna happen, honestly. I'm not even sure if they ever stated that they would try. I know that Medieval Engineers had like a few tries with it. I'm actually not quite sure in general on the development status of Medieval Engineer. I haven't looked at that in a while. But there was some sort of AI in there. Wasn't the best for sure, but you know. So yeah, I mean, it's the great wondering about what's coming next. I mean, Halloween is soon around the corner, so I wonder if the next update in this series is gonna be, or was ever always planned to be on Halloween for some reason, or if there's gonna be like an space Halloween update that's gonna give us something fun, you know, for the holidays, and then the normal development continues. You know what I mean? Something along those lines. I don't know, but might be possible. But yeah, I mean, we can wonder all we want. It's gonna be very difficult to figuring it out. Because that heavy industry stuff, I wasn't expecting a lot of the things in there, to be honest. So, I mean, in my opinion, generally the updates and DLCs always have done a great deal to surprise me for the most part, you know? So yeah. Okay. So now I think we have at least the there we go, all the steel plates done. Made the wing a bit chunkier, but that's fine, that's okay. Oh, hold on, we have still this whole thing here to do. The quote-unquote armor, if you will. There you go. And then, of course, the underside. I mean, look at how much steel plates and blocks we already added just by tampering with that wing. That's why we need like leftover space in the gyroscope room. Exactly because of that. Because that will have added a whole bunch of weight again to the ship, which will make it hard to control. So yeah, I am almost certain I'm gonna have to freaking get some new gyroscopes in there at one point. Although, if I have to, then it's gonna be all the way at the end of the shipbuilding process when I can actually connect it up with the station. And then we're just gonna add an access to the inventory inside of the gyroscope room, and then that's how we're gonna do it, you know? Because I'm not flying all the way through the ship for every gyroscope, I can tell you that much. Because that is probably insane. So yeah. Let's make some more steel plates. But I'm pretty happy with the general wing shape. I think it's gonna be looking a bit more cohesive when the actual thrusters are done as well, but yeah. Let's at least pump all our steel plates in here, and then we need to get all of the other components as well.
Energy critical.
And then it's all about mirroring this design on the other side too. And then we would have, at least for now, a base set of forward and backward facing thrusters. Oh god, I need 16 more here. 16 steel plates. But yeah, that would be already a good start. And then we'll have to think about the other thruster locations, where they're gonna come from, where we're gonna place them. I mean, we have a bunch of possible locations. For example, we could have some sideways thrusters like above here, for example. There's still some thruster space here. We could have some at the back here. At the top and the bottom of the ring. I think that these are quite decent locations. So yeah, lots of room to improve, lots of room to add these eventually. Oh, of course. Of course. I should have known. But yeah, that is pretty much the trajectory of our building process right now. It's all about adding the actual mobility and then integrating the mobility into the ship design. And then at the end, it's all about smoothing things out. And then it's all, we of course have to do a full function test with the whole ship to see if it's doing what it's supposed to do. And then, yeah, we'll have to get uranium, of course. That's still kind of a thing I've been putting off for a while now. It's looming over the horizon like an ill-fated omen. And it could come back to haunt me eventually, for all I know. But, yeah, I don't know. I probably will do like a session where I'm gonna watch some of the very old videos when we started to establish our base here. Because again, I was almost 100% sure that we ran into uranium at one point. When we fought the pirate drones. When we started yeeting rocks at the pirate station to destabilize it and get it out of orbit, so to speak. So yeah, I think back then somewhere we found uranium. But I cannot remember anymore. Okay, you know what? I'm actually gonna make some of these as well. Hold on. Is it actually making them? Yeah, it is. I just wanted to say, it sounded like it has no more materials or something. That would be funny. Okay. How many of these we need? Oh, a lot. Jesus Christ. Yeah, okay. We'll need a bunch of them. Do we have any? Oh yeah, we have a shit ton of thruster. Oh, of course we do. We dismantled a bunch of thrusters when we... back in our pirating days, so to speak. We acquired a lot of them. So that hopefully should be enough. I'm still not quite convinced I'm gonna put a big thruster somewhere. Again, because of the form. I do hate that 2x3 form of the thrusters, the big ones. Really hate it. So who knows, maybe I'm not even gonna put one somewhere. I don't know yet. Oh! Well, gosh darn. Hold up. That only wasn't not welded, that's fine. Okie dokie. Ah, that's wrong. So how many thrusters do we have right now? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 forward, 10 back. So that's 20 forward, 20 back. I kind of have the feeling it's not going to be enough. But we'll have to test it out. I'm pretty sure this is barely moving the ship, honestly. But yeah. Who knows, right? Okay, so we need what now? 8 and 2 more, so 10. 10 biggins, and then a whole bunch of you. Oh god, I can barely carry enough for one thruster, can I? Oh god. Well, to be fair, we had some large tubes in our inventory still, but yeah. Yikes. Yeah, I can do 1 per trip. That is pretty bad. Yeah, boy. Well, it's a bit more than 1, obviously. What is it? 80 per thruster? Oh, I think we actually might need some more. I mean, generally, thinking about the future, you know? So, probably start making those. It's 80, so I can... Is it about 1.5 that I can take with me? So maybe it's not that bad, actually. Yeah, almost 1.5. Not too bad, I suppose. Yeah, well, it will take a while. There we go. I really hope we don't run out of any components here, because the thrusters, of course, will need some special components that we normally don't use up that much. Platinum, I think, specifically will be drained a bit. It's not making anything, is it? Yeah, I think we're missing platinum. Might need to grab some. I think we have a platinum asteroid nearby. At least I was under the impression that we did. Maybe we're gonna just pop off to the platinum asteroid real quick. Oh, look, we made a few. But it looks like production stopped about after like 200 or 300 of them. Then we ran out. So yeah, I might need to get myself some platinum. The thing is, I don't need too much, but we still need platinum in the system to be able to frickin' continue this construction. Otherwise, this is not gonna work. There we go. That looks decent. Now, if that flows perfectly into the rest of the ship, that will look very nice. Right now, it looks a bit cut off, of course. But that's fine. We'll fix that once we figure out how we're gonna deal with the whole wing into main body business of the design portion. Let me just real quick. Swoop. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. I do like that a lot. Okay. So, let's do the front side, and then I think I will actually go and collect some platinum. Just so we can kickstart this production. And I'm pretty sure the platinum, or I think I was sure the platinum is in a an asteroid that is in gravity range of the planet. So we cannot go over with this bad boy. I'll scout it out first with the spacesuit, and then we'll see. But I was under the impression that it is gravity induced, or whatever you want to call it. Gravity influenced, I think that is the better word for that. Because yeah, we need about oh, whoops, that's wrong. We need about 800 thrusters, or thruster components.
Energy low.
Per side. So that's 1,600 per wing. Which you can see we're running quite short, so it's not even going to be close for one side of the next wing. So definitely resources need to be collected. For sure. So yeah. Just a few more holes here. I think we just have enough to finish this side. But then it's gonna be it. For thruster components. Yeah, pretty much. Almost on the money there. I have, like, for 2 more I have thruster components. Yikes, that's not a lot, isn't it? But yeah, the front, of course, looks a little bit weird because there's holes in that, but it makes sense that there are holes because of our nifty little rocket launchers hidden away. You cannot actually see them from the side. That's kind of cool. I like it. So you don't really see the weaponry. Lovely. What I might do, you know, speaking of the update and everything, right? Where are they? The light armor panel. Let's just use a light one. Just use one of them, like, here. That's exactly what I will use them for most of the time, you know, just to give give a little bit of armor slash hide away some of that texture that normally is visible on the thruster. Boom, like that. And it doesn't look too much off. So yeah, look, there we go. We used the first block of the new update on the ship officially. That's awesome. Lovely. But that's exactly what these are for. Lovely. That looks so much smoother now, just because of that. Yes. Excellent. Okay, let me get my drill. And actually get rid of everything else. Right. And then we need GPS to the where is it? Oh yeah. Yeah, see, I even mentioned it in the freaking notes there that it is planetary gravity. Is it over there? Yeah, it is. No. Oh, good thing that happened now and not like a kilometer away from the freaking base. Because that would have been my death certificate. Pretty much. There we go. I just had to get some energy myself. Right. Off we go to the platinum mine. There. Okay. Let me just get my tools sorted. There we go. Oh, we should also make some weaponry for our new ship. You know, in the armory, just fill the armory up with, like, different kind of assault rifles and pistols and whatnot. That would be kind of cool, actually. But yeah, platinum first. That's the most important part. We need to get that nice, shiny, silvery looking rock. I think it's silvery. It's been a while since I've been harvesting platinum, actually. Let me see. There's the iron. I guess the marker is on the platinum, probably. I think I already see it. It's like slightly discolored. There's a few patches. Yeah, I think I see it. Is it really in planetary gravity? It might just be. Yeah, it's so close of not being in planetary gravity. There we go, that's platinum. Right? Yeah, that's platinum. Okay. There we go. That's at least a little bit. There we go. How much did we get now? 3.18 kilos. Or well, no. Kilos? Sorry. K. About 3 tons. Fair enough. That will not turn into too much platinum, but might be enough for a few more thruster components. I might even get the drill ship and park it close to the platinum mine there and just load it by hand. If I see that I need a whole bunch more. I cannot quite gauge it yet. But yeah, we'll figure it out as we go along. As we always do. The ship looks massive from here, doesn't it? I love it. From the distance, it really looks like a Vive controller. I do like it. It's amazing. Heck yeah, baby. It's always impressive when it comes into view like that. It also lags slightly, which is concerning, since we're not even done yet, so... Oh man, my PC's gonna hate me at the end of this build, I'm sure. Maybe I need some new graphic cards. Who knows? Maybe next year I'm gonna get a new one. I still have the 1080, which has done a great job. It's done a big... It's given me a lot. It's been serviceable for a long time. But I think at one point... it's just gonna, you know, it's not gonna be enough. Let me just see, inventory. So there's the refinery. It's filling up. Oh, so I see. So every time... So they have things queued up. And they will now just start doing these. Right. Only the main assembler has cancelled its... yeah, its... job, so to speak. Yeah, maybe I need to get a whole bunch of platinum. With this bad boy. Might not be the baddest idea. But let me just... I'm just gonna see you how much it will produce once it's completely refined. Let me just grab a whole bunch of these bad boys. Well, no. Hold on. There we go. That's better. A whole bunch of these, and now it's off to... Oh! Off to the graveyard! Because... Oh god, did you just see that? My body just did the spaghetti-o over there. That was kinda interesting. Where is my body? Oh, come on. Where is my body? Oh, it's over there. Oh, Jesus! Oh, I had this before. Sometimes the view is really messed up for some reason. Hello, Mr. Body Bag. Don't float away. Oi! Okay, now it can float away. Whatever. Whatever. I don't need you. I'm better off without you. Okay. Time to do some replication over here. So... Yes. Okay. Let's start with this thing. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what I wanted. I love the game sometimes. It knows exactly how it needs to place blocks. Oh, man. Okay, so there we go. Now, of course, we'll need all the slopes. All the slopes we can handle. Alright. And then we'll have to start placing down the thrusters. I'll have to do a little look-see before I do that. I don't want to misalign things. That would be really awkward. So far, so good-ish, I would say. Oh. Look there, there's a vent that hasn't been completed. I know, I have always seen a vent that is not complete yet, and I've always been wondering where it is. It's in there. Hold on. I'm sorry, I need to fix this. This is an eyesore. Okay, we need computers. God damn, this is annoying. But good thing I found it. I would have probably been very angry at me at some point. When, you know, the moment when I tried to find it. Good thing I found it now. Is it still... hold on. Okay, it's still producing. So we can get at least a little bit out of this, the platinum we got there. There we go. That was the rogue vent. Yeah, it's even named it correctly, so I should have been able to find it anyhow. So that's weird. Okay. Good. Well, that's fixed. Right. Now, same on the bottom side. Just a bunch of replication. Okay, there we go. I could also think about like smoothing this here out a little bit with like a double slope. But then I think it would kind of detract from the inner wing design, or I would have to change that up, so probably not. So, it's really just in a cross shape around the rocket launcher. Very easy to remember. Cross shape around the rocket launcher. Oh, and I'm an idiot. Which way do the flaps point? The singular flap points inwards. So the way I'm having it right now. Excellent. Most excellent. I couldn't stand if I placed it wrong. I really couldn't. You know, I really hope that the rocket launchers do not accidentally blow up my thrusters. That would be disastrous, but I think it should be fine. Good. And then, of course, we need to encase those as well. That will leave for now. And then we can already just place these down as well. Boom. Most excellent. And over here, of course, I'm gonna have kind of the same thing. Flaps inwards. Or I don't even know if they're called flaps. What would you call these? I don't even know what the purpose of these are. The decorations. Do you like my decorations? No. Did I place too many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No, it's fine. It's fine. We're fine. Right. Filling them out. And the slopes. And the plates are already placed, so these are fine. Cool. That means next time we have some more things to weld, but it is getting there. That thing is starting to look pretty junky. I love it. I like him junky. Okay. Cool. So that's it for today. Again, next time, second wing, and probably also further considerations for thrusters. I will have to think about those. Maybe, if I'm not 100% sure about the placement up here, we'll even have to start on actually smoothing out this part, because it is kind of integral that it all works out in a way, you know? So we'll see. We'll see about that. But until then, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.